Hello everyone. Today we are going to study or know some important concept for GATE electrical engineering. Here we are going to know how to crack GATE in just 3 months. Because our GATE exam is on February, maybe February 14 to 20. But now this month is our November. So November 15, December, January, and obviously nearly 3 months is there. In 3 months, we can't get high mark in GATE, but we can clear our GATE. If we will read previously and we will revise now in these 3 months, we can get top rank in our GATE electrical engineering. It is applicable to electronics engineering in also in somewhat and instrumentation also in somewhat. But I am purely talking about electrical engineering here. So, before going to start, I will start the topics about GATE electrical engineering. Here, first topic is our general aptitude. In 2021, its weightage is 15 mark. In 20, its weightage is 15 mark. In 19, its weightage is 15 mark. And in 18, its weightage is 15 mark. What about general aptitude is, if we will remember some easy formula and we will work on just 15 to 20 minutes a day or generally 6 hours or near to exam we will read all the formulas and look ahead, we can easily get 12 to 13 marks from this point, because some easy English and aptitude whose formulas I will give in our revision video, and some aptitude and reasoning, easy reasoning will come. Those who are preparing for banking all and other competitive exam, these aptitude is generally very easier than that one. Nowadays it is little bit tough but not that much level. So in this general aptitude we can easily get 12 to 13 mark if we will get our mind. So second is our engineering mathematics. In engineering math 2021 it's 12 mark, 2020 6 mark, 2019 12 mark, and 2018 it's 9 mark. So average of 10 mark. Here generally maxima and minimum one question will come, that is up to 2 mark, and other I will give you formulas or in revision we will read that one. So third one is our signal and system. In signal and system it is generally electronic subject, but one important point is there, difficult questions of signal and system come in electrical rather than electronics. It's not difficult that much, you have to learn. So in signal and system in 2018 it's come 8 mark. In 20 it's 6 mark. In 19 4 mark, and 18 it's 6 mark. So next is about electromagnetic. Electromagnetics, it's 2021 it's 6 mark, and 20 3 mark, it's 19 3 mark, and 18 topic is electrical machine. Generally we think that machine is very difficult, but it's not that much difficult. Believe me, if you will read theory part and concept and some what you can remember that type of problem, then you can get easily some marks on electrical machine. No need to work hard for electrical machine, just try to remember or try to learn that basic concepts. So 21 is 8 mark. One point I told here why to read electrical machine, that sometime we will think it's very much difficult, but if some simple concept come and we didn't read that one, we are unable to attend that one because there is negative marking will be there. So to avoid that situation, we have to prepare some concept and related some simple problems about electrical machine. So easily we can get 3 to 4 mark on that one. Now 21 it's 8 mark. 2020 it got 12 mark. 19 it's 11 mark, and 18 it's 11 mark. So we have to read only concept and simple problem. And next is our analog and digital electronics. So here 2021 it's 10, 2020 2021 it's 9 mark, 2020 it's 10 mark, 2019 it's 10 mark, and 18 it's 8 mark. Here one point is there, in analog some BJT, FET related that one, some simple question will come, you will attend that one, and amplified question will come, then you attend that one. I am telling here about that qualifying part, and those who want to qualify, just you don't read previously, but you have to qualify in the month, in 3 months. Just I am telling for that one. Those who are preparing previously, you have to read whole the thing. In digital, some important questions are coming, sir, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, and some Boolean expression. That one is very easy, and if you will read that one, that concept, you will attend easily that one. So don't leave analog and digital. Especially digital part is very important. If you don't remember all the digital, you have to go for Boolean expression and gates. Means that one is logic gates. And for analog, BJT, FET, amplifier, and some fixed bias, this type of question also have to prepare for analog. Next point is here our, after analog, it come with power system. Well, come with power system, it is very vast subject. So obviously in these 3 months, if you didn't read previously, you cannot cover that power system. Power system only keep you busy all the time if you will try to cover power system. So here you have to read some power station engineering, some formulas, and one line diagram, and some fact related problems. And that fact related problem means that high voltage DC transmission, there some fact related links will be there, you have to read about that one, and some formulas will be also there. So in power system 2021 it's 12 mark, 20, 13, 19 it's 10 mark, and in 18 important 12, 13, 10 and 10 mark is coming, average of 10 to 12 mark is coming. But one problem is the power system is consisting of 4 papers: power station engineering, that fact, and that transmission, generation and distribution part, and that flexible AC transmission, and all the thing is coming under power system. So we have to wisely choose which portion we have to read and which portion we don't read. Here I will give you a clear notifications and clear concept on power system just in 3 to 4 video. So in power system, important we have to read. I will give you that video. And third, and another one is control system. Control system is our game changer. It's not that much easy and not that much difficult also. I can tell that it is very difficult and very easy. Some person it is very easy and some person it is very difficult. For me it's easy only, but not very easy. So if we will read electric circuit and control system thoroughly, and we will able to do all type of problem, and we will do engineering mathematics and the general aptitude, then easily we will clear our GATE. So in control system 2021 it came 8 mark, 2020 it's 8 mark, 2019 it's 10 mark, and 2018 it's 8 mark. So average of 8 to 9 mark is coming, and we have to read whole chapter of control system. And it is not that much difficult. If we will know previously something, and we can easily cover in 5 to 10 days whole topic of control system alone. Then second point is, then another point is network theory or circuit theory. Network theory also we have to read whole topic. Here we have to read that theorems, intelligence theorem, how every concept we have to read here. We have to know each and every concept of network theory, then we will very much confident enough to clear our GATE. So network theory, it is, if it come into point 2021, its weightage is 11 mark, and 20 it's 10 mark, 19 is 12 mark, 18 it's 7 mark. So average of 10 mark is from network theory. So, and network theory is not that much difficult what we think in our mind. Previously if we read network theory, obviously we read our network theory in second year, if we will get B grade also, it's enough. We can clear our concept now. And network theory is our game changer. Control system and network theory is our game changer. And third game changer is our power electronics. Power electronics is not that much difficult, and it also a game changer. So power electronics in 2021 it come 9 mark, 20 it's 11, 19 it's 10 mark, 18 it's 9 mark. It also very important topic. If you unable to understood power electronics, I will tell some simple concept. From there you can get 4 to 5 mark easily. So it is very very important. There is cycloconverter is there, converter, inverter, all the thing will be there, and some important formulas will be there. Based on that one we can find out our question. And remember, power electronics is not that much easy, and it's come in medium only. So sometime some different question will be there, and that is out of syllabus. Means out of syllabus means kya hai? That is not in our BTech course of study, but it will come. Zero voltage switching, zero current switching. Previously it was not in our syllabus, but now it is included. But sometime we will see some concept is new in our GATE in power electronics. So to prepare that one, we have to take so much time. So in power electronics I will tell all the concepts Whatever you will remember. Otherwise, no need to worry. I will tell some important formula and important concept. From that you will get 4 to 5 marks easily. Because your average mark is 10, 4 to 5 mark easy question will coming, and 4 to 5 mark it is not that much easy. So you have to read that one. Last is our electrical measurement, not that much. It's only 3 mark is coming everywhere. In 21 it's 2 always. Here we have to remember some transducer. Maybe it will become more mark. It is very easy. So we have to remember some concept. Just one day we have to read that some bridges here. Important are bridge, why transducer is required, and different type of bridge, which bridge is required to measure what. There is some table is there. I will give that one. If we will prepare this type, easily we will clear get. I am not telling about high mark for getting high mark, or to get high percentile of mark. We have to previously prepare, and in these 3 months we have to revise that one. But if we will don't know anything and we just know some BTech concept, then also we will clear get in just 3 months. And you have to new to this thing, and it's your first attempt or second attempt, no matter what may be, and you want to clear get, this video is for you. I am there for you in your journey till get, because I will provide all the concepts, revised concepts, all the things, and after that we will read all the concept. And some previously I was added some video also, but forget, we will make separate video. And for this 3 month revised pattern I will do, and some conceptual revision, and I will do some revision video also. And after that I am telling one secret point, how to clear GATE. Here GATE is based on application knowledge. So we have to apply our mind to solve our problem in our exam. It's not about biad anything or anything. Yes, we can biad that problems. We can biad formulas, but that formula always not give you correct answer. Okay, we will put the formula, get the answer, it's okay. But sometime what will happen, some question is giving, we will think this formula is there, but that will just modification of that one will be there. So always we have to think how to apply our mind. So obviously we will get good mark in GATE. And another point is, you take any book, means preparation book, that may be J.B. Gupta, that may be anything, that S material or MAD material, everywhere that question is same. Main point is we have to find out that solution. We have to take any material, no matter of that one, you have to take any guide, that may be MAD material, that may be S material, that may be Bani Institute material, that may be any other thing, that may be J.B. Gupta, that may be R.K. Rajput, or anything. You will observe one thing, everywhere that questions are same, but the important point is that who is finding that answer. Everywhere answer is not there, that key was there. So sometimes that key was not correct, because some teacher is writing the answer and some students are giving to put that answer there. Maybe sometime it was mistake. So everywhere you took that question and find your answer yourself. This is the thing, and everywhere you have to every question is important, and that questions are, if we will prepare that concept, that questions we will definitely clear GATE or IAS or any PSU, no matter. Everywhere that question is same, that we have to find out that solution. How much we have to find that solution, that one is very important. And thank you. This is for today. From tomorrow onward, I will going to start network revision, and after that I will give from which book we have to read that thing. That's it.